a week or so ago, and it was really deep.
It can be, but like I say, it can come up to here. Yeah. All good fun, as they say.
So did you see anything exciting?
No, there's not much.
Right out here right now, you know, there's cormorants, quite a few of them.
There's several cormorants actually. Surprisingly, there's only one lapwing, and normally there's many lapwing. But because the water's so high, there's some shaldrakes, and there's some pink-footed geese, and lots of Canadian geese, and there's lots of black-faced gulls, and there's some widgeons, and there were some little plovers earlier on, but I can't see those now.
And various ducks.
And there's lots, there's I saw the sheldrake, there's some eiders over there in the distance. I like those because they sort of go round in circles at this time of the day. So peaceful. It's bird hide.
So,
H-I-D-E.
just looking at the poster here, this hide gives a view over East Marsh Pool and two of the larger islands. So look out for the various species of dabbling ducks, geese and swans, or overhead of the area of martin, swifts and swallows. So, widgeon, like you said, Canada goose, grey-leg goose, mute swans, mallard ducks, gadwalls, and shovelers.
No, there's I've just seen a lapwing, but there's normally like huge numbers of lapwing here, but the water is really high, so there's only one, which is a real shame. I like lapwings because they look like punks.
Which one's that?
I can find them again for you in a sec. Hang on. Well, there's both of them.
Yeah.
There's that one there, and then there's that one over there. They're both really good hides. And
What's
then
your favourite hide one?
this one actually. Although that one over there is pretty cool. You can see. I mean, not just the water.
No, it's the same.
We needed these when
I want some for my birthday. Bruce is going to buy me some of these Opticon ones for my birthday.
Did you get some for a birthday, like a few years
I got you
ago?
some, didn't I?
Yeah.